Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. I hope you guys are having a safe Memorial Day weekend. As for me, I'm right where I'm supposed to be, here in the garden, and I'm loving what I'm seeing. Let me give you guys a tour of all the buds that are popping right now on the dragon fruits, and you'll see why I'm exactly where I need to be. All right, so we're gonna start right here. These are the Mr. Wu buds. Look at that. Look how beautiful those are. I'm waiting for other buds. I have 4 different varieties on here. So I have Venus, Mr. Wu, Lake Atlantean, and Country Road on this particular trellis. But right now, only Mr. Wu is giving out buds. This is a very delicious fruit. I love this fruit a lot. It's one of my top 5s. So right here we have all the yellow varieties. There's absolutely no buds on this trellis. I'm gonna probably have to fertilize this one again, but these are all my yellows. So this is Ecuador Pelora, we have Golden Dragon, and we have the Isis on this particular trellis. And I believe there is Vietnam White on here also. So absolutely no buds on this trellis. On this trellis, it's kind of hiding under the pomegranate tree, but it still gets enough sun. And I have a bud right here. So on this one, I also have Lake Atlantean, I have Orahona, and I have Dark Star, and a no ID on this one. I'll probably have to move this after the season is over. This is another one of those heavy trellises. I did cut it back a lot. As you can see, I added the post to it, but it's being shaded a little bit too much. All right, so that's that trellis right there. Across. This is one of my newer trellises. So on this one, I have Physical Graffiti, Laverne Pink, Guatemalese, and I have Edgar Baby on this one. So this one has already set fruit. This is the Guatemalese. This is a new variety for me this year, so I'm excited. I had 3 buds, only 1 survived. So this is the one that's surviving. Already pollinated and everything, so that's gonna set beautiful fruit. On this one, I had 4 flowers. None of them survived. One was actually knocked off. One of the buds were knocked off. I don't see anything really happening here. So I'll probably come back to this and also refertilize. But these are mature vines, so maybe later on in the season I might get something. But this one right here, this is the heavy producer right here. We already have two fruit setting on here. So we have the Sugar Dragon right here, and then one up top. And then we have, I believe this is either Connie. This is Connie Meyer. So we have a lot of flowers, a lot of beautiful flowers. And then we also have lots of buds. This is Laverne. This is another one of my top 5. So we have buds here. We have tons of buds, to be honest with you. We have buds right here, as you can see. We have buds there, buds there, buds there. Lots of buds everywhere. Buds there. So this one is gonna be a heavy producer. And then this one is a trellis that fell over. So this one is Bruni. We have Bruni flower right there. But we have lots of buds all over this right here. Let me see if I can find a few for you. There's a bud right here. As you can see, lots of buds right there. Ton of buds, 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 buds. In the back, you see some buds back here. So you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lots of buds. So this whole trellis is filled with buds. Filled with buds. And this also, I had to cut a lot of buds off. See, all this area right here, that's where I cut. But Halley's Comet is on here. Sugar Dragon is on here. Lots of buds on there. I like that one. And on this one, I'm surprised that it doesn't have a lot of buds, but it does have one. Okay, well, the buds are coming in now. As soon as I said I'm surprised. Okay, so we have this one big bud right here. And then we have like a whole bunch of little buds. One there, one there, one there up top. So this is another one filled with different varieties. So this one has San Ignacio. What else does it have on it? Zebra. And some other stuff. Yeah. So. And then this is once again. Look at this. Oh, that has a Zunta 4 on it. And look at this right here. This is the part that broke off. You see that? Those were all buds. 1, 2, 3. This was a Zunta 4. Yeah, a Zunta 4. Lots of buds on there. Here's another one that had buds on it. I think this was Bruni. So it got a little sunburnt sitting back here. I'm trying to get rid of these cuttings. For my members, if you want a cutting, just email me and I'll see what I can do to get them out to you. All right, so these are all mature vines. I'm just gonna wait to see if any buds pop up. This is one of my most dangerous trellises. These have a lot of thorns on them, but very delicious fruit. So we'll wait and see. All right, you know the motto on the page, each one teach one, Cali Bro J, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace. And I forgot to mention this trellis right here. This is the members only trellis. So the fruits that I get from here, I'm gonna be mailing out to the members, but it doesn't seem like anything is on here yet. But these are mature vines. So hopefully later on in the season, we can get something from this member only trellis. And I got this one, finally made it from the good brother, the Garden of Twitty. So this is a variety that was sent to me from Houston that I nursed back to health. And hopefully I could see what the fruit tastes like this year. All right, shout out to Garden of Twitty. I'll post his link down below.